Hello everyone. Welcome to Techtionary, where technology has no limit and neither do we. Today we're diving into the latest flagship from Samsung, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Is it a titanium titan or an overpriced tech toy? Let's find out. First impressions are crucial, and the S24 Ultra nails it with its sleek design and premium feel. The blend of glass and metal gives it a sophisticated look while bringing out the curved edges, opting for a boxy, titanium build. This device is still around 230 grams with little to no change in the back design. The glass back is matte and completely flat. This phone almost looks like its predecessor. But the more you use this phone, the more impressive it gets. S24 Ultra has an IP68 water resistance rating, meaning you don't need to worry about getting your phone wet. The available colors are titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet and titanium yellow. So down at the bottom is where that S Pen is. You'll notice the color somewhat matches the color of the phone. The S Pen is quite useful for note-taking, drawing, highlighting and so much more. We have one of our speakers, a USB Type-C port for charging, a microphone, and our SIM card slot. And that's very flat down at the bottom. At the right side, we can see the power button and volume rockers right above it. The camera bump is, honestly, minimal overall. It's noticeable when considering you have two zoom lenses in this quad camera system. The S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring smooth performance even with the most demanding tasks. Multitasking is a breeze, and gaming feels incredibly fluid. Samsung's One UI 6.1, based on Android 14, provides a polished user experience with a host of customization options and many useful features. One of the standout features of the S24 Ultra is its stunning display. With a 6.8-inch dynamic HD AMOLED panel and 1440p resolution, colors pop and details are crisp. The 120Hz refresh rate is making it perfect for everything from streaming movies to gaming. Its 88.5% screen-to-body ratio leaves with very little bezel. With its new anti-reflective display with 2600 nits of brightness, which makes a real difference when you use your phone outside. Samsung is using Gorilla Armor A glass for protection. Always-on display is available. The in-display fingerprint sensor is pretty much fast and accurate. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The S24 Ultra boasts a quad-camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a pair of 50-megapixel and 10-megapixel periscope telephoto lenses along with a depth sensor. While pictures can lean on the overprocessed side of things, they are wonderfully sharp and punchy, and things are aided nicely by the ability to view an image in HDR right from the camera app. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, the S24 Ultra delivers impressive results. Forget paparazzi lenses, this phone brings distant objects uncomfortably close. With portrait mode, both the front and main rear cameras do a fantastic job of getting photos with a bokeh blur effect. On the front, it houses a 26mm wide 12-megapixel camera. It also supports dual video call, Auto HDR, HDR10+, 4K video at 30 or 60 fps. When it comes to video, you can shoot all the way up to 8K at 30 fps, or 4K at 60 fps. And finally, you have other modes, including a Pro mode, a Pro video, and a single take. Alternatively, you can capture multiple shots at once. Video is top-notch with battery stabilization, but low-light performance could be brighter. Moving on to sound, the S24 Ultra features a practically identical setup to the S23 Ultra. The earpiece and bottom-firing speaker combine to make a stereo pair with no 3.5mm headphone jack. For wireless connection, you can expect support for Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP and LE. Dolby Atmos is also supported over headphone and speaker audio too. With its 5000 mAh battery capacity and efficient optimization, it easily makes it through a day of fairly heavy use, including photography, music playing and messaging, with battery to spare. You can get more than 6 hours plus screen on time easily. There's 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless Qi charging available. The S24 Ultra comes equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. To support this beast of a chipset, Samsung has implemented a 1.9x bigger vapor chamber on the Galaxy S24 Ultra compared to its predecessor so it can maintain higher clock speeds for longer periods without overheating. The Adreno 750 GPU is also capable of better ray tracing performance for nicer visuals during games. Backed by 12GB of RAM and either 256GB, 512GB or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the S24 Ultra absolutely flies through the Android 14 operating system. Samsung has also promised a whopping 7 years of security updates and 7 generations of Android updates. Impressive future-proofing indeed. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, AI. The S24 Ultra has an impressive collection of AI features. Take live translation, it happens on device, and it can act as a real-time interpreter on phone calls. If you need to call and ask for some information or make a reservation, it would serve the purpose. Automatic note and voice transcript summaries are in the same category. Once you have your transcript, you can generate a detailed summary in just a few seconds, complete with subheads and timestamps. Then there's Circle to Search. Basically, it's Google Lens but everywhere on your phone, any app, anytime. You long press the home button or navigation handle to engage it, and then a prompt appears to circle the thing you want to know more about. A page of Google results will follow, and you can tap around to learn more or dismiss the whole thing. Let's not sugarcoat it, this phone is expensive. Compared to rivals, it's hard to justify unless you absolutely need the best of the best. You can get the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from Amazon for less than $1,300. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra impresses on all fronts, from its premium design and stunning display to its powerful cameras and smooth performance. While it comes with a premium price tag, it's undoubtedly worth it for those who demand the best in smartphone technology. That's it for our review of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What are your thoughts on this device? Would you trade your current device for it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech smackdowns. Thanks for watching.